Hi everyone, this is t.Ralf from Anaban Pluton Tani and homeroom teacher of grade 5/5. Today I'm presenting the terrarium for you. First of all, we have to know what is a terrarium. A terrarium is like an aquarium, but for plants instead of fish. It is made in just about any glass container. It is a mini garden or forest enclosed in its own little world. Here is an example for a terrarium. As you see here, we have a lot of decoration, small plants, small toys, colored sand, and rocks. We have another example here that shows exactly what we need to do. We have here at the bottom sand, then we have the soil, pebbles, or we call it chipstones. Then a decoration here, you can use any of the toys that you have back home that you don't use anymore, and then our plant. Another example that shows how easy we can do the terrarium. The bottom sand, chipstones, soil, more stones or pebbles, big stone, and our plant, and of course the decoration as you see here. That's a clear example for a terrarium. The same thing, at the bottom we have rock chips, soil, pebble or small stones, the plant, and a decoration for a beautiful girl inside the jar. What do we need for a terrarium? Find a fish bowl or any transparent container to plant in. We have 3 different sizes here. It depends on what you have at home, and you can just use it. Plastic sheet to separate the soil from the stones or rock chips. If needed, just be careful. Do not put a lot of plastic sheets inside. You have to cut it exactly the size that you need to put inside the container. A good fresh soil to put on top of the plastic sheet, or if you don't need the plastic sheet, don't use it. Just have to be sure that you get a fresh soil for the roots and the plant inside the container. Pebbles are better at the bottom of the bowl, especially if they are colored to give a beautiful look from the outside. Pebbles can be found in supermarkets, big supermarkets, and can be found fish shop, fish as pet. You can find them in different colors, and we prefer, if you're gonna build them, put them inside the container, they have to be small in the size. A small rootless plant that can fit in the bowl. Don't put too much plants, just 1 or 2, as you see here in the picture. Very small and tiny, just to fit in and to be healthy inside the container. We call this a tiny green carpet grass that can fit in easily and gives a better look. You can find them in different places, and you don't need that much of them inside the container. Some sand, rocks, stones needed. You can find them different places, but they have to be clean and dry before you use them. What tools we must have for the terrarium? We have only one special tool today. We can see it on the picture, and it's called tweezers or the grabber. It's very important to have this tool just to pick up what we need from outside the container and put it inside the container, because our hand sometimes is big and it doesn't fit enough to put our stuff easily inside, so it's better to use the tweezers or the grabber. I really hope you liked my video, and see you next week to show you how to make a terrarium. Thanks for watching.